Greetings guys. Sanbonani, Dumelang guys. Ngiyathemba niyaphila. I hope you guys are doing well. You guys are doing well in this festive season, guys. Guys, now we're going back to doing the basic conditions of employment. Because for the past month we had to rush to do the new CCMA rules, because by then when we did that, we had not completed the basic conditions of employment. So now we're going back to doing the basic conditions of employment, guys. So yeah, we're going to be dealing with chapter 6. It's about the prohibition of employment of children and forced labor. Guys, this is very important. Please share this video as much as you can so it can reach as much audience as possible, guys. Okay, chapter 6, prohibition of employment of children and forced labor. 43, prohibition of employment of children. Number 1, no person may employ a child A who is under 15 years of age or B who is under the minimum school leaving age in terms of any law. If this is 15